In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact in Gmail. This straightforward process will ensure that all your important contacts are right where you need them, exactly when you need them. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to Gmail on your web browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged into your account, look over to the right side of your Gmail interface. There you'll see a contact icon that resembles a small address book or person symbol. Go ahead and click on that icon, which will open up the contacts section. The next thing you want to do is find the button that says create contact. This is typically found towards the middle of the page and is your gateway to adding new people to your Gmail contacts. Click on the create contact button and this will bring up a new window or panel where you can start entering your contacts details. Now that you're on the new contact form, it's time to start entering the necessary information. Begin by typing in the first name and last name of your contact. It's important to get these details right as they form the basis of your contact's identity in Gmail. If they go by a nickname or a full name, you can also adjust this in the fields provided. With the name set, the logical next step is to enter an email address for your contact. Providing an email ensures that you can easily reach out to them and keep communication lines open via Gmail. Be sure to double check this information to avoid any typos. After you've entered the email address, you'll want to add a phone number. This isn't obligatory, but it definitely adds another layer of connectivity. A phone number can come in handy if you prefer contacting them through your mobile device, or if there are times when email correspondence might not be swift enough for your needs. Once you've entered all the necessary and optional details, take a moment to review everything. Ensure all the information is accurate, as this will save you time and potential confusion down the road. When you're satisfied with the entries, it's time for the final step. Now, simply look to the top of the window or panel where you've been entering your new contact's details. You should see a save button. Clicking this button will commit all the information you've entered to your contacts list. It's that simple. Your new contact is now saved within your Gmail account and you can easily access their information whenever you need it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a contact to your Gmail, ensuring that keeping in touch is just a click away. Thank you for following along and enjoy the seamless communication that well-organized contacts bring.